Hey everybody, I'm gonna make a multi-part series of videos in how to create a Debian file which installs an icon on the desktop based on a script compiled as standalone. First I'll show you what I want to turn into a Debian installation file, which is a game I have built. I'll just start it as a script purely to let you people see what I'm going to do. Open a terminal, go to scripts, jump war, run, which is where my test version lives. Start the script, jump war .py, I've written it in Python. So, this is the game I built. I'll just run you through some help screens. Press enter to start the game. Let's take save slot 4. It's a fairly simple game. You can fly around, go look for asteroids. Well, this was just to show what I'll do. Let's quit this game. Let me show you guys something. The first thing we want to do is compile everything as standalone. This is the map where my game lives. The script is here, jumpwar.py. All kinds of data and picture files are included with it. I want to turn this into a standalone binary which will live in its own map. So I use Nuitka for that. It's a Python module that lets you compile scripts into standalones. So I start the terminal. Let's make it full screen. I go to a map where my stuff lives. Okay, we're gonna call Nuitka. Nuitka needs to be told what kind of Python you use. I use Python 3.8. You use the M option. You call Nuitka and you give it parameters. The first parameter is standalone. So my program will run on every Linux since all libraries will be added to the map. You can enable plugins, enable plugin NumPy. You have to find out which plugins to enable by compiling your scripts bare bones. I just know this because I've compiled this game before. Enable, come on, plugin, warnings, and show progress so that I get to see what the compiler is doing, and of course the name of the script I want to compile. This will take a bit. I'm gonna press enter. So Nuitka is being called, starting to analyze my code. Local optimization for main, which is the main loop of my Python script. This is going to take a couple of minutes. Pom 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 pom. Come on, come on. Yes. So collecting all packages. Nuit can reach through the imports section of your code to collect dependencies and other Python modules. It also looks for libraries your specific script needs to run. I'll show you when it's done. Pum, 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 pum. Luckily the script is like just below 3,000 lines of code, so it doesn't take too long to compile. See, libraries. So another pass. Package resources. Nuitka compiles in stages. When it's got all the information it needs from your code, it will first generate C code and then call your local C compiler. So on Windows that means you first need to install a compiler, a C compiler. On Linux a C compiler is automatically supplied with your installation. Wow, it won't take too long anymore. So another pass, local optimizations for main. It's a thorough one. Generating C code, we're at the end. After that we'll call scons, which will start using the C compiler to generate a binary, which will be the thing that will actually run as a standalone program. Scons, backend C compiler GCC, which is my GCC is the compiler standard offered with Ubuntu installations. Almost done. And done. So, within my jump war map, I now have a jump war build map, which we can throw away. It is a temporary map for working, and we've got jump war dist. As you can see, the distribution has, where are you? a jump warp program. This is a binary. I have to put all data files from the game into this map as well. So I'll go one level up, copy all the files my game needs, copy, and dump them in the distribution. So now we have something we can run. That is it for now. Next up I will show you how to prepare a file system for your Debian distribution. Okay, till later.